Now for exercises B, this is on page 14 of your instructional support copy. So you have to solve the following permutations and combination problems and then show your complete solutions. Again, solve the following permutation and combination problems, and then do not forget to show your complete solutions. So you will be answering items 1, 2, 3, and 4, while I will provide you examples in which you will use them as guide in solving the problems. Okay, so let's begin with number 1. How many distinct permutations of the word statistics begin and end with the letter S? So we have here distinct permutations. So in our previous lesson, this is also called distinguishable permutations. Okay? Now, let me provide you an example that is the same with number 1. Okay? Say we have the word mathematics. So we will be solving the number of distinct possible ways on how to rearrange the word mathematics, in which it will begin and end with letter A. Okay? So how many letters are we dealing with? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is 11. Correct? So we have 11 letters. Now next, since we have 11 letters, therefore we have 11 positions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now according to the given condition, it must begin and end with letter A. So it must begin with letter A and it must end with letter A. Okay? Now, since the first position and the last position is already taken, how many positions are we dealing now? So ito na lang yung natitira. Okay? So we have ano pa tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, meron na lang tayong 9 positions. Okay? Do not forget, 9 positions na lang tayo. Therefore, that is now the value of your n. So, instead of 11, because the word mathematics contains 11 letters, na usually yun na yung n natin. Hindi, kasi according to the condition, dapat nagsisimula at nagtatapos sa letter A. Okay, so from 11 letters, ang option na lang natin for the remaining positions is 9 letters. Okay? Now, from there, we know that n is equal to 9. So, n sub 1 is what? Since distinguishable ito, ano yung mga nauulit na letters sa word mathematics? Okay, so we have M. Isa, dalawa, dalawang M. Sige, palitan natin ito. Kasi dalawang M. Ano pa? Say T, isa, dalawa, dalawang T. Meron pa ba? Tignan natin. Wala na. Ano? So, if that's the case, we will now proceed with our working equation. For the working equation, we will be using distinguishable permutation, in which it is equal to n factorial over n sub 1 factorial times n sub 2 factorial and so on. Okay? Now, you have to substitute. Substitute natin yung given natin. Say, n is 9. So, you have 9 factorial over n sub 1 is m 2 times. So, that is 2 factorial. Times t is 2 times, so that is 2 factorial as well. Okay? Now, you have to expand, you have to expand 9 factorial. So, expand. 9 factorial is 9 times 8, times 7, times 6, times 5, times 4, times 3, times 2, times 1. Over 2 factorial is 2 times 1, 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Okay, and then after that, you have to cancel out. Say 2 times 2 is 4, correct? So cancel out 4. And 1 is just useless, so cancel 1. We have 1. Okay, now next, you have to multiply 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 3 times 2. So let me compute it in my calculator. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 3 times 2. And that is equal to 90,000 and 720. So these are the possible, wait. Distinct ways in which the word mathematics will be rearranged in such a way that it will begin and end with letter A. Okay, so that's how you solve number 1. It will be solved like this. If you still have questions, feel free to ask. Just shout me in Messenger. But do not forget, when you ask questions, you have to provide your solution so that I will easily identify kung saan ka nagkamali or saan tayo nagkulang. Okay, so that's it for number 1.